Hey y'all, my name's Michelle and today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make this really cute grocery bag using stencil vinyl and some paint. So let's go ahead and let's get cutting our stencil. Once we have our design completely cut from our cutting machine, now it's time for us to weed. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take away all the parts where we want the paint to actually go, because we're gonna be using this as a stencil on our grocery bag. And now, I have not mirrored my design either because this is gonna go directly onto my bag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply some transfer tape to the design so that I can move it from here onto the actual bag. Then I'm going to take my scissors, trim it off. Because it's paper, I can also really easily just rip it, but that way it helps keep it simple and easy. Okay, so now that we have our design fully weeded out, we need to make sure before we start applying our stencil or anything that we put something in the middle of the bag. This can be cardboard, paper, it doesn't matter, but you just need to put something on the inside so that as you're doing your stencil and you're painting, it doesn't get messed up. So I'm just gonna apply this gift bag here in the middle. And now that's inside my board and I'm ready to be able to apply my stencil and paint. And that way it won't bleed through. And we're gonna put this design right here in the middle. And I am using Mask 813, and that is a stencil vinyl. It is not as thick as a regular adhesive vinyl. It's a little bit thinner. It's designed to be used as a stencil. So I'm just peeling the backing off of my design here. And then I'm going to stick it right here onto my bag. I'm gonna kind of put it about 1/3 of the way up. I don't want it directly in the middle. You know what? I think I'm gonna even do it at an angle. Now, I could do it even, but just in case, I like to eyeball things, so I'm gonna do it at an angle because that way you don't have to worry, is it exactly even, is it straight, and it'll still look super cute. So that's my strategy on that. And then I'm just gonna peel up the transfer tape, make sure it's just stuck on there pretty well. Let me move this bag up just a little bit. And now it's time to paint. If you end up where you know you're gonna wash it a ton and it's gonna just get a lot of wear and tear, you wanna make sure that you have a durable fabric paint. You can get that at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or anything, any of your local craft stores, you can get a fabric paint. Okay, and then once you have your paint on there the way that you like it, you can peel up your stencil. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna pull up the insides of these. Be really careful when you're getting these insides that you don't get paint on the insides of your letters. And then we've got a super cute grocery bag, and we can take the inside out now. And see, it's very important that you put that in there because it'll bleed if you don't. And there we go. We're good to go for our grocery bag. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Wasn't that so easy, so super cute? I can't wait to see what types of things you end up creating using stencil vinyl and fabric paint, and I'll see you back on the next tutorial. Bye.